Welcome to Ludo Tips. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of AI tools and how they can revolutionize your productivity. Artificial intelligence is no longer the technology of the future. It's the technology of today, and it's within your reach. If you're ready to streamline your workflow and make the most of these powerful tools, you're in the right place. Step 1. Identify your needs. Before diving into the ocean of AI tools available, it's crucial to pinpoint exactly what you need. Are you looking to automate repetitive tasks? Or maybe you need assistance with data analysis or content creation. Make a list of the tasks you spend the most time on and consider how AI might help you accomplish these tasks more efficiently. Step 2. Research the right tools. Once you know what you need, it's time to find the appropriate AI tools. For task automation, you might explore platforms like Zapier or IFTTT. If you're into content creation, tools like Copy.ai or Grammarly can be very helpful. For data analysis, consider IBM's Watson or Google's AI services. Read reviews, compare features, and maybe try a few free trials to understand which tool fits your workflow the best. Step 3. Master the tools. After selecting the tools, invest time in mastering them. Most AI tools come with tutorials or guides, and many online platforms offer courses that can help you get to grips with their functionalities. Don't hesitate to spend a few hours on this step. The time invested will pay off in the long run as you become more comfortable and efficient with these tools. Step 4. Integrate AI into your workflow. Start incorporating the AI tools into your daily routine. Begin with small tasks and gradually increase their usage as you become more comfortable. Monitor the results and make adjustments as needed. Remember, the goal is to enhance your productivity, so it should feel like a seamless part of your workflow, not an additional burden. To wrap up, AI tools can be a game changer in boosting your productivity and efficiency. By identifying your needs, selecting the right tools, mastering them, and integrating them smoothly into your routine, you can leverage the full power of AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to Ludo Tips for more insightful guides.